Ever since the formation of the Independent Subway System, or IND, the New York City subway has labeled all of its rolling stock under the R-Type contract, with the R1 designation going to a series of passenger cars built for the IND in 1930. This R-Type designation has also extended to non-revenue and maintenance equipment, with the first of these being the R8 crane car. However, the R-Type contract has extended even further to pieces of equipment which aren't even considered rolling stock, such as the R5s being trucks and motors for the R4, the R25 wheel turning machine, the R96 overhaul program for flat cars, and the R64 door operator mechanism. Even though the R-Type contract has been ongoing for over 90 years, with the highest R-Type number being the R262 subway cars as of when this video was made, this train fact goes to show that every piece of equipment in this contract can have its own unique class, right down to the smallest of programs and stationary machines.